Great goal, and totally achievable with the right system. The truth is, never forget isn't really possible for any human memory, but you can get very close by working with how memory naturally works instead of against it. Here's what actually works, based on how forgetting happens. 1. Use spaced repetition, the single biggest lever. Your brain forgets new words fast unless you review them at increasing intervals. Right after learning, then a day later, then a few days, then a week, then a month. This is called the spacing effect. Apps that do this automatically, Anki, Quizlet, or Memrise. You just review the words the app shows you each day. It schedules the rest. If you don't want an app, a simple rule: review new words after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. Point 2. Don't learn words in isolation. Learn them in context. Memorizing a word plus translation is the weakest form of learning. Instead, learn the word inside a sentence you find interesting or funny. Notice collocations, words that travel together, e.g., make a decision, not do a decision. When you meet a new word while reading, watching something, guess its meaning from context first, then check the dictionary. Point 3. Retrieve, don't just reread. Rereading your vocab list feels productive but barely helps. What actually builds memory is forcing your brain to recall the word without looking. Cover the translation and try to remember it. Use the word in your own sentence from memory. Try to explain the word to someone else, or even to yourself out loud. Point 4. Attach the word to something personal or vivid. The brain remembers what's emotionally or sensorially tied to something. Make a mental image, a silly association, or a mnemonic. Connect it to a real memory. I learned ubiquitous the day my phone was everywhere in the house because I kept losing it. Point 5. Use it. Don't just review it. Passive review has a ceiling. Active use cements words long term. Write a short journal entry using 3 to 5 new words each day. Speak them out loud in a sentence. Try to slip a new word into a real conversation within 48 hours of learning it. This is one of the strongest predictors of long-term retention. Point 6. Group words by theme, not alphabetically. Words linked by topic, e.g., kitchen, emotions, business, reinforce each other in memory much better than random or alphabetical lists. 7. Keep a leech list. Every learner has a handful of words that refuse to stick. Keep a separate short list of these problem words and give them extra attention. More repetitions, funnier mnemonics, more usage, rather than letting them drown in your main list. If you want, tell me your current level and how you like to study, reading, apps, conversation practice, etc., and I can put together a personalized daily, weekly routine for you.